and CEO of Korea Welding Industry Corporate. Hi, nice to meet you. So good to see you. Tell us a bit about the expo today, Welding Korea 2026. Why is it held here in Changwon?
In Changwon City is very near the Changwon City. There are too many big shipbuilding yards. Like the nearest the Geoje Island, the Samsung and the Hanwha shipbuilding company, and also very near place the Ulsan City has a big Hyundai shipbuilding yard. So shipbuilding is almost 40% is welding process.
Okay.
So the welding exhibition is perfect for suitable this area.
Okay, I see. Should we go and take a look inside? Now I understand. I mean, welding must be a huge field here in this area, a very popular job as well. Tell us a little bit about what are the trends in this field right now?
Right now, the Korean labor charge is very fastly increased. So we need to reduce the production cost.
Yeah.
So we changed the manual welding process to the automation welding. So nowadays, many small and medium companies also accept the automation welding process line, including the AI support and the welding robots. So that is the nowadays one of trend, big trend.
Okay, automation. I mean, that's also why we can see so many robots here.
Yeah. So you can see these all many the booths they are displaying not only the welding machine, not only but also the welding robot and many others welding automations equipment.
Yeah.
That is nowadays trend. So we understand. So we are including this Welding Korea plus automation.
Okay, yeah, that's why you added the automation part. I see. What would you say is something that people really should take a look at when they come here to this expo?
Yeah, many the visitors come from all the Korean other areas.
Yeah.
But near this Changwon City area also has big company, many of big companies. So there's employment also needs the new welding technology. So they visit here and they learn the new trend and the new technology.
Okay, so they can really learn a lot from coming here. Okay, that's amazing. I mean, now we can see a lot of people are coming in, so there's definitely demand and interest in this field for sure. What do you think is the government hoping to get out of this? What are the hopes for this expo?
So nowadays, many small and medium companies wanted to investments their the production line, change it to manual to the automation system. But their small and medium companies budget is very low. So we need some government the support. Yeah, that is very important thing.
Okay,
so I wanted to make the big budget and then put our welding industry development.
Okay.
Also the automation and also the AI rise the develop the manufacturing system.
So it's actually really necessary for the companies that the government helps out, invests some money and supports the companies. And in turn, this will then also help the country because then more companies, can produce new technologies, new
Uh-huh.
products,
Yeah.
and it all gets back to the people.
Oh, yeah. So I think these days in Korea, the AI is very popular, and also very small machines, including the AI chip. So we connect anywhere, anytime
Yeah.
to the internet, and then we get the big reasonable data from the internet. So very easily we can use, and then we can adapt the like that develop the manufacturing system to the welding process.
Do you think that you also have? I mean, I actually also saw some foreign companies here today. Do you also attract some foreigners here? Some foreign business as well for Korean companies?
I'm learned the welding technology in the university.
Okay.
And then I worked at a big Korean company in the young age.
Okay.
After that, I joined these associations, and then I working here, and then I organized this welding exhibition show.
Yeah.
So in these times, many our Korea Welding Industry Cooperative member company attend
Yeah.
and join.
Yeah.
I'm very delighted.
Yeah. I mean, I saw 22 years, right?
Yeah.
That is amazing. And I met some people here today who said they've been here for years and years.
Yeah.
They say they come every year, and it's been amazing. They said they always meet new potential clients here. So this seems to be such a good opportunity for these people.
So I organized not only this welding exhibition, also I invited the Korea Welding and Joining Society's special welding seminar.
Okay.
From tomorrow to the end day,
Yeah.
and then we have the big welding technology seminar, and then also we have the one of the National Welding Day ceremony tomorrow.
Wow.
So it's one of big event for successful exhibitions I organized.
Okay, amazing. So there's really a lot going on for people in this industry who are interested.
Yeah. So for the successful exhibitions, I also organize like that academic technology seminar, and then also some underwater cutting, underwater welding demonstrations.
Oh yeah, we saw that.
I invite him, and then I make that. So I make like that big good point, like underwater welding, and then one of the welding technology seminar, and then also another the important export the discussion show also. I organized.
Okay, well, you have the expertise. You bring all of these people together, and so people can network and they can find out what's new in the industry.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For sharing your expertise with us, and thank you also for organizing such an amazing event here.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. That was great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.